The drum dryer has a simple structure, is easy to maintain, occupies a small area, and is also an energy-saving equipment. Its working principle is to use the rotation of the drum to continuously friction and heat exchange the items in the drum, causing the moisture on the surface of the items to evaporate and finally achieves the drying effect. If you want to know more, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us to inquire. We will be happy to serve you.